You're rolling.
Okay.
Do you see the front of it?
Found the sticker, the bat sticker. Let me just help you open it first. Okay, go ahead. Look inside there. There's something for you in there.
What is that? Tissue paper, my favorite.
Open it up and see what's in there. There we go. What do we have?
What have you got?
We have some crazy cutout swag with a bat. And what do we got here?
Ooh, look at that.
Ooh, it's an candy shirt.
No, I want your candy.
I want your candy. Oh. See, you got a shirt. See, I want your candy. And then this is a little cutout thing. Shall we open that up so you can see it? Oh, I see. This is a like a long thing.
Well, you can still play with it.
Something that you hang up. Places it'll get all broken.
Bat banner.
Yeah, it's a Batman. He'll play with that for a little bit. Look at that. Pretty cool. Thank you, Royal. See? Yeah, that's what we do.
That's how bats flip.
Kids are gonna try and eat it too.
Oh, it's a really long one. Wow, you wouldn't have believed it from such a small package.
No, you wouldn't.
We should put it on a curtain rod.
Yeah, I'm getting it tangled here.
What do you think of your shirt? Get the shirt. Thank you. Good job.
Shall we take this off and put the shirt on? Put on your shirt.